Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your Google Ads account and set up your first campaign. So head over to ads.google.com and click on Start Now. On the first step, Google Ads will ask for your basic business details, for example, the business name, and where people should go after clicking your ads. We have three options here: website URL, your business phone number, or your app download page. For example, let's type in our business name, yes. Then I will choose my website URL. For this tutorial, let's use my YouTube account. So highlight my URL, click copy, then paste it here. After you're done, click next. It will now ask you to describe your business to get better campaign suggestions. So in this box, write your company description. For example, unleash your inner storyteller and connect with the world, and etc. On the next field, it will now ask you for specific products or services that you are advertising. To add one, go ahead and type in the service or the product. Then press enter. There we go. Once you're done, click on next. You can also link other Google products you want to use. However, since we just started creating our Google Ads account, I only have YouTube as my account linked. Click on next. And on the first step of creating your campaign, choose a goal that matches your business objective. For example, purchases. Type in the URL that someone reaches after completing your purchase. Submit a lead form, phone call leads, your business phone number, page views, and brand awareness. So after choosing your goal, click on next, and it will now ask you for the campaign type that you want to make. As you can see, my suggestion here is a video for YouTube, and the other campaign is display, video views. If you click on the video, it will then ask us for the subtype, video views or video reach. So once you're done setting up the campaign type, go ahead and click next. And we can now customize our campaign name, ads format, bid strategy, and many more. So after setting up all of the information, the detail, the description of our campaign, we will now be directed to the final page, which is entering your payment details. Here you can enter the location and the time zone of your business, create a payment profile, enter the payment method, either by credit card or debit card, and bank account. And lastly, do you want a personalized guidance from a Google Ads account strategist by phone or messaging app? Let's say you want to ask for guidance, click yes, type in your phone number, then click submit. Once you click submit, your Google Ads account will now be created and it will direct you to the Google Ads dashboard. But that will be for another tutorial for next time. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.